Morning guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Joyce and boom. If you're new here, feel free to subscribe. We love you so much and you're so much welcome. It's another new day. It's on Monday and yeah, I just came from making breakfast. You guys saw that, and now I want to do a devotion which I do every day in the morning, but I'm trying to be consistent because most of the time I may find myself either I'm traveling or I just got late, and then sometimes I'm even lazy, so I don't do it. So right now I want to start my devotion. That will take about 10 to 15 minutes, and then after that I'll journal, and after journaling I write my today's to-do list. So guys, my to-do list, I'll read it to you guys, or I'll just place it here on the screen so that you guys can see what I'll be doing today. And first of all, what I know I'll do is do my bathroom because it's really dirty. It's really dirty actually, so I'm gonna do that with you guys. And yeah, everything else I'll show you guys. I write it down, then you'll see it here. If you don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new here, or if you have not subscribed yet, feel free to subscribe and join the family. We love you guys. And yeah, like this video, share, comment down below of anything, any suggestion, anything that you feel that you want to talk to me guys in the comments. And yeah, that is it. I actually did my hair. And I love it so much. This is so cool. I feel like they did the best. They're so long, these braids are so long, and that is exactly what I wanted. So I feel like I got whatever I wanted. And yeah, don't mind the pimples on my face. These are actually mosquito bites. I got bitten, and then time niliumwa, I started flicking them, so this is why I have these black spots. Don't mind me. And yeah, guess who has no skin routine? Your girl here has no skin care routine, and I'm still here alive and kicking and kicking. I know girls of my age right now, they have a skincare routine. And yeah, let's get today with you guys. I'm so excited to shoot this video because it's been long since I gave you guys a video. Actually, I gave you like 2 months ago or 1 month ago. The China Square video was the last video that I did. Anyway guys, let's go and do that devotion, and then yeah, everything else I'll show you. Bye. out of the shower. Yeah, today has been a successful day. I've accomplished most of the things that I wanted to do. Yeah, if you've gotten up to this point, comment with the butterfly emoji so that I can know you have gotten to the end of the video. Let us confuse them in the comment section. Yeah, bye till next time. And then in the morning you saw me with a red t-shirt, and still I have a red t-shirt. It's just because I have so many red t-shirts, and it was such a coincidence. Nimekumbuka saizi that I have a red t-shirt, and some people will be saying, oh, a jogger, nini nini. The other one was, this one is another one, Dala, cock and everything. The other one had a giraffe. I don't know even why I'm explaining myself, but anyway, bye.